During my live stream interview at VidSummit 2019, I asked Tom Martin about Mike Davenport, also known as the Chevy Dude. What does Mike do on YouTube that helps him sell cars? And can you duplicate that in the automotive market anywhere around the world, in the UK in this instance? Well, it boils down to just three key things. Let's see what Tom had to say. Here we got Mike from Louisville, Kentucky. How well would what Mike is doing right now on YouTube translate across markets in the United Kingdom, for example?
I think it'd be fantastic. I don't think we have that kind of personality, especially in the kind of business area of YouTube. I struggle to think of anyone in the UK that would be comparable to what Mike's doing. We do have a lot of automotive channels, but again, that's more people trying to make their own Top Gear on YouTube.
So if you were to compare something like a Top Gear to what Mike is doing on YouTube, what are the benefits, and how could someone emulate what Mike is doing?
I wouldn't want to kind of belittle how much work and effort Mike's putting in, but pretty easily, if depending on the industry. Obviously, it's going to take a lot of hard work, effort, resource, time. You know, Mike's got a full-time job, obviously, but he's also filming, editing, planning, strategizing. Then you've got the whole upload part, SEO. But I think the benefits are really clear. You know, that know, like, and trust factor. They're just so important, especially in sales.